Hey guys, Jaime back here reminding you that it's okay to like your job. And now to today's topic, which is Fundrise, more specifically, how to open an account on Fundrise. But before we start, I want to brief you on what it is. Minimum is $500 to invest, alright? Now, what is Fundrise? It's a platform in which you invest money into real estate. Pretty straightforward, you don't do any of the dirty work, and you don't need much to start. But it is passive, which is great. And I think that's all you need. So let's get started. Also, even though accounts do take some time to get started, I will show you how much this account has made in 1 month. So stay tuned for that. It's actually going to be towards the end of the video. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is of course go to the Fundrise website and press get started. Type in your email. Okay, so type in the email you want to associate with this account. Now when we get here, we see 3 different plans. We see the starter, the core, and the advanced. And the difference is, depending on how much money you want to invest, you select the one. I selected the 5,000, 10,000 one. Now we have to select our investment plan. Supplemental income, if you want to get paid monthly. Balanced investment, or investing, which is a little bit of equity, a little bit of dividends. And then long-term growth is a little bit lower on the dividend side, and the appreciation should be higher. Now, given that it's my dad's account, I'm going to go with a balanced investing account. So pretty 50-50, neither here, neither there. That's what I recommend you do, just to get a feel for, if you like the dividends to get paid monthly, or whether you like the appreciation, a little bit more long term. That takes you to a screen here, and all you do is put in your first name, last name, email address, password, and then of course you have to confirm your password. So let me just input my password here. And let's confirm my password. Then once we do that, I have read and reviewed and agreed to all these terms. Please confirm the following. Country of citizenship. My dad is from Mexico, so I select Mexico somewhere here. And then country of residence is the United States for my dad. What type of account would you like to open? Individual. That's pretty typical. Now we need to confirm some more details. So this is where you input your address. So we're inputting my address here, my dad's address. Typical stuff like the city, state, zip code. Right, we're in California. And once you do that, we scroll to the bottom. You input your phone number. Please input a cell phone number because you will get texted. Or you will get a text to your phone that gives you a key. So make sure it's a cell phone number, not a landline. Now your social security number. So pull out the card, or if you have it memorized, then good for you. Birth date. You can't lie here, so no lying here. Your real birth date. Input it. Once we find the year, we press continue. And this is all real time, by the way. How much would you like to invest? I spoke with my dad, and we're opening up an account with $5,000. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to select it's already pre-selected because I picked the middle account. I'm going to say $5,000 and auto invest. I want my money to be auto invested, but I don't want to invest money monthly, so I will not select it for now. The bank that my dad has is Chase, so we're going to pick Chase. And just talking about the previous screen, the auto invest feature means I'm going to commit to paying $100 a month. I don't want to do that right now. And once you click on your bank, all you do is input your credentials. So if you have a banking app on your phone or on the website, input the same credentials you would here. So username and password is the same. It has not changed. Once you get authorized, they'll send you a text or an email. Select which method you want to use for approvals. You'll get a code. I got my code. Then you input your code. So just type it in here. It's going to be a few digits. And then once you get your code, just submit it. It'll take about 4 to 5 seconds. Select the account. Make sure that you select a checking account, not a savings account. It will not work with a savings account. Now we're almost done. All we do is acknowledge all of these little checkboxes. There are about 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go down. Dividend reinvestment. Yes, I want my money that I make to go back into my account. Just leave it as is. That will make sure that your account grows, as fast as possible. make sure your account information is correct, and confirm it. Now you have to verify your account. So go to your email. There's going to be a link. Hey, did you open up an account right now? Yes, you did. I did it on my phone, so you can't see it here, but all I did was I clicked on the link. Now that I clicked on the link, I'm going to log in again because my account has already been verified. All you do is click on the link, okay? Now you can log in with the information you just created. So log in with the email address you used and log in with the password you just created. So once we log in, I'm going to stay logged in. You don't have to, of course, if it's a public computer. Then your email, send an email. What's the code? It's a lot of codes, right? A lot of security. It's kind of crazy, but I mean, I guess it's good, and it's good if someone's going to steal your money. But now this is where the phone part comes in. So text this number. Make sure that you input a cell phone. You text your cell phone. You get a code. It should be instant. It takes literally about 10 seconds. Input the code, confirm your identity, and that's it. You created an account. You created an account with $5,000. Now I'm going to be using this account to update, monthly to see how well it's doing. So stay tuned for those. So as you can see, our $5,000 have made us about $11.71. Now I can tell you that this number is actually a little bit higher. The first month is the slowest because things do take time to stabilize. And now it's averaging about $16. But now the account has grown. The amount invested has grown as well. So this is what you get. 1 month, really good. $11. Can't complain. Good luck, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.